Hey, welcome back to Finding Truth. We got a real quick video here for you. This first clip I'm going to play twice in a row. It is a time lapse of me just pulling my car out of the garage. Nothing super interesting, and I'll try to get a longer time lapse in the future for you to check out. But that's a 4K time lapse. So here, this next clip, we're looking at a slow motion video of my dogs playing, and my nephews are walking to the other end of the yard. They're going to come running back at the camera here in just a second. To keep in mind, these are shooting at 120 frames per second and playing back at 24 frames per second, or 30, I can't remember which, but one of the two. And this, when it shoots the slow motion video, it only shoots in 720 at the highest quality, so it is a noticeable downgrade in quality. And as you can see, when the camera starts panning to the right here, it's handheld, it's a little bit jumpy. Not sure if that's my hand holding or if that's the camera capabilities, but so far I'm really pleased with it. Even at 720 you do lose some of the detail, but just being able to do it is pretty cool. So hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button as always. Hit that notification if you want to be notified when I'm putting up new videos. Most of the time I'm doing the Fuji X T1, so come back and see us. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.